Hey there, wonderful viewers and health enthusiasts. In this video, we're spilling the beans on the worst fruits for high blood pressure. From sneaky sugar bombs to unsuspecting culprits, we'll uncover the fruits that could be sabotaging your hypertension diet. Join us as we explore the do's and don'ts of fruit consumption for managing blood pressure. Stick around till the end for expert tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things health related. Let's dive in and take control of our health together. Sugar may be the primary factor contributing to high blood pressure. 1. Canned fruit. Canned fruits are convenient and have a long shelf life, making them easily accessible. However, they are often preserved in syrup, which contains added sugars and sodium. These additives can lead to blood sugar spikes and contribute to high blood pressure. The high sugar content in canned fruit and also increase the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Opting for fresh fruits is preferable as they contain natural sugars and are free from added preservatives. 2. Ripe bananas. Bananas are renowned for their high potassium content, which plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation. However, ripe bananas, in particular, contain higher levels of natural sugars, primarily fructose. As bananas ripen, their resistant starch converts into natural sugars, which can lead to blood sugar spikes if consumed excessively. This can potentially impact blood pressure, especially for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. For individuals with high blood pressure or those on blood pressure medication, moderation in consumption is advisable, especially when bananas are fully ripe. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in vitamins and antioxidants, and it is low in calories. However, grapefruit can interact with certain medications used to manage high blood pressure. It contains compounds that inhibit enzymes responsible for metabolizing drugs, leading to higher medication levels in the bloodstream. This can result in potential side effects and complications, such as increased blood pressure or adverse drug reactions. Therefore, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before consuming grapefruit, especially if you are on medication for hypertension or other conditions. 4. Some fruit juices. Fruit juices are often marketed as a convenient source of hydration and nutrients. However, they lack the fiber found in whole fruits, leading to quicker absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and potential blood sugar spikes. Additionally, some fruit juices may contain added sugars or high sodium content, which can exacerbate high blood pressure and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Regular consumption of fruit juices has also been associated with weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Choosing whole fruits over juices and opting for varieties with no added sugars is preferable for managing blood pressure and overall health. 5. Crystallized and candied fruit. Crystallized and candied fruits are made by soaking fresh fruits in sugar syrup and then drying them. This process results in fruits that are laden with added sugars, contributing to high blood pressure and other health issues. The excessive sugar content in these fruits, often in the form of high fructose corn syrup, can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and metabolic disorders. Consuming crystallized and candied fruits regularly can also increase the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension and heart disease. Therefore, it's best to limit intake of these varieties and opt for fresh or dried fruits without added sugars. 6. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are made by removing the water content from fresh fruits, resulting in a concentrated source of nutrients and sugars. While they are nutrient-dense and convenient for snacking, dried fruits have a higher sugar content compared to fresh fruits. This concentrated sugar content can lead to a higher glycemic index, causing blood sugar spikes and potentially impacting blood pressure. Additionally, dried fruits may contain added sugars or preservatives, further increasing their sugar content and calorie density. Therefore, moderation in consumption is important, especially for individuals with high blood pressure or those watching their sugar intake. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit rich in natural sugars and bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. While pineapple offers health benefits, including improved digestion and immune function, it is high in natural sugars, which can impact blood sugar levels and potentially increase blood pressure if consumed excessively. Regular consumption of pineapple may also contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance, increasing the risk of metabolic disorders and cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, moderation in consumption is advisable, especially for individuals with high blood pressure or those watching their sugar intake. 8. Coconut water. Coconut water is the clear liquid found inside young, green coconuts. It is hydrating and rich in electrolytes like potassium, making it a popular beverage choice for replenishing fluids and nutrients. However, coconut water is high in potassium, which can influence blood pressure regulation. While potassium is essential for maintaining fluid balance and supporting heart health, individuals with specific health conditions, such as kidney disease or hyperkalemia, may need to limit their intake of potassium-rich foods and beverages, including coconut water. Excessive consumption of coconut water may lead to electrolyte imbalances and complications, especially for those with underlying health issues. 9. Mangoes. Mangoes are tropical fruits packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer several health benefits, including improved digestion, immune function, and skin health. However, mangoes are naturally high in sugar, particularly fructose, which can impact blood sugar levels if consumed excessively. Regular consumption of mangoes may lead to blood sugar spikes and potentially increase blood pressure, especially for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Therefore, moderation in consumption is important, and mangoes should be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet along with other fruits and vegetables. Alright, health enthusiasts, that wraps up our discussion on the worst fruits for high blood pressure. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community for more insightful content. Until next time, keep those hearts pumping and those blood pressure levels in check. Catch you later. Bye. See you in the next video.